Hello, welcome to college algebra. Today I will talk about the conic sections. Conic section. To do that, I have this example for you guys. Graph 4x to the second power plus 9y to the second power equals 36. So, but what I mean is, we are talking about the ellipse. So an ellipse is the set of the sum of whose distance from the two distance fixed. From the two distance whose distance from the two fixed points. Points. Those points is a constant. All right. I will explain in the problem. I'm going to show the graph. The two fixed. The two fixed points are called the foci. It's very important, this concept, foci. Okay, the foci. What I mean, this is a singular. This is a singular focus. It's a singular focus of the ellipse. Okay? We are talking about the ellipse. Actually, in our problems. Let me erase this concept, and then I will to show you the graph. What I mean, this in a graph. All right? Let's do the ellipse graph. So, for instance, if we have this ellipse, this kind of ellipse, okay, in this way. So I want to explain my concept in the graph. So we have some points here, and this point here is 0, b. All right. Here in the bottom is 0, negative b. Right, and then this point is a, 0, and this other one is negative a, 0. See, and then inside we're gonna have a triangle here. For instance, if we make a triangle like this, not right triangle. Suppose the triangle is right here. So, but we have some f here, f, and then f right here, and this is the point, right? And remember the concept that I described before. It's f and f here. Look at this, f and f prime, f and I prime. The foci, this f and f, this is these kind of points are the, remember the foci are the foci, like that, of in this case, and and the points P, we have P-A-A-F prime plus P-F. This is equals to 8. Look in this concept here. So this is actually the mean the foci right here. It's called the foci when the singular focus. That's the singular focus. It's the mean actually this. All right. Let's make eraser this, and then let's write another concept theorem for 5.4. This theorem talk about the ellipse, also the ellipse. The ellipse with this is very important. This x intercept like x equals y equals a and x equals negative a. Okay, and we have y intercept. Also, we have y-intercept is y equals b, right? And y equals negative b. See? These points has the equation very important, the equation, the ellipse equation, right? X to the second power over a to the second power plus y divided by b to the second power equals 1. Right? This is the formula here. So now with this theorem, this is very important when we talk about the ellipse. Let's go now and then solve our problem here. We have this information here. So to do this, we have to write the form, to find the form, the equation of the ellipse. So the equation of the ellipse from the theorem, remember the theorem derivative. So the base to this, we have to remember theorem 5.4. Now the theorem we described it before. So here we have to divide by, in this case, by 36. By 36. Divide by 36. Divide by 36. If we divide by 36, and then to get, we're gonna get this this formula here. So we're gonna have x to the second power divided by 9, right? Plus y to the second power divided by 4 equals 1, right? So divided by 36. So if we divide 36 divided by 36 by 4 is 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay. So after this, to grab this ellipse, having y-intercept. So here is some x-intercept. This ellipse, the x-intercept is equals here x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. See? And then y-intercept, y3, because this is a square. This is a square. You make a square root, you're gonna get 3. So y-intercept, so this is equals y equals 2 and y equals negative 2, right? That's it. So now make our graph. right here. Let's make the our ellipse something like this. Okay, just write the lines. This is one. This is X. This is Y. And write the numbers here. You write the numbers here. Here we are going to have -3, 0. And then the other side, of course, is positive, 3, 0. Right? Here on top is 0, 2. Right? And then in the bottom we will have 0, -2. Right? This is 0 right here. This is our graph. The graph which is one is right here. You write it. Let me make some graph right here. 4x to the second power plus 9y to the second equals 36. Okay, this is this one is right. You have it right here. It's x to the second power divided by 9 plus y to the second power divided by 4 equals 1. See? These two, this is the ellipse to this, to represent this ellipse or equation, right? It's another thing that I would like to share with you, something like this. Okay, I think this is ready. So I will erase this data here. Anyway, we finish it. So, but I want to share with you some more information here. It's another thing that we have to know. For instance, you have one point like this point. One point here across exactly in the middle, like this. This is very important to know. It's a rule too. You call A here A prime. This kind is for any point here. Oh, let's write 0 right here. For any point from A, in this case A to 0, okay, A to 0, the distance is the same from 0 to A prime. Okay. That's another kind of rule. That's just some extra information and kind of problems with ellipse. So this is that was our topic. Now the whole topic is today only talk about the ellipse, no more, because we coming more kind of graph in the next 2-3 class. Okay, that's it for today. College algebra. As always, I remember you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential. Thank you so much.